Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your team in eFootball, whether you are setting up for a match or switching in Dream Team mode. So let's get started with the video. First, from the main menu, go to the game plan, that is right here, my team or team section, and this is where all your squad management happens. Here you can see your current lineup. To change player or the whole team, highlight the position and press the swap option, and now pick the player you want from the squad list. If you are in Dream Team mode, you can also sign new players using GP or coins, then come back here to add them into your team. Once you have made your changes, don't forget to save your game plan so the new team setup is ready for your changes. This is the easiest way to change your team or to change your player in eFootball, and that's how you can change your team in eFootball. Very quick and simple, right? If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more eFootball tips, and let me know your go-to team in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.